Okay, I wanted to look at something known as the random function. So it's right here, RAND. And the interesting thing about functions in programming is we really don't care at this point how it generates random numbers. All we care about is that we call this random function and it gives us a random number. To do that, we need to include the C standard library. So we have this include statement here. And let's see what this does. We're going to go ahead and compile and execute. And so we get some random numbers here. Okay, but those are a little bit outside of the range maybe I want. So let's add a little bit here to our three random number statements. And so now I'm going to add a mod 10 in there. So if you remember, mod is just the remainder of division. So we're going to divide that random number. So we should get a range from 0 to 9. And so let's execute that and see what we get there. And so sure enough, 1, 7, and 4 are between 0 and 9. But we may actually want to, instead of 0, maybe we want to, do something like a game where we're picking a number from 1 to 10. So to do that, all we have to do is add 1. So we still have the range of 10 numbers, but it should be from 1 to 10 instead of 0 to 10. And so we got 2, 8, and 5. Another interesting thing with the random number generator is really a pseudo random number. So we'll see here, let's run this one again, and we'll see we got the random number 2, 8, and 5. Let's run it one more time, and lo and behold, we have the random number 2, 8, and 5. So now you get the idea of pseudo-random number. It's based on a mathematical function. So if we leave it as is, we're going to get the same set of random numbers every time, which may not be very fun if we're creating a game or something else that requires randomization. So let's add another library here. This is the CTime library, and we're going to do that because we're going to srand, we're going to seed it, and to seed our random number, we're going to use a time. So depending on when we run the program, we'll get a different set of random numbers. So let's compile and run this. And we get 8, 6, and 2. And if we run it a few seconds later, we should get a different set. So 1, 9, and 8. So have fun with this. You can take random numbers and use them for things like games and other things that you want to not have something happen the same way every time.